everything. If you take 9, for example, you immediately get this. So its behavior is similar as SPF, but performance is very, very fast. Let's go back. I will, because I have some training data for this, so I can select those. So here is about the relationship. I'm sorry. It's about the delete, modification, change, or do the revision. These 3 icons. So, for example, if I want to delete, I want to delete this. I just click this, and then I got the prompt. So it's are you really want to delete it? If you say cancel, just do nothing. If you want to hit OK, which right now is 200, right? So if I click OK, it's immediately deleted. If you want to find it again, so you just find it again, so you don't find it 200. Okay. This is about the delete. Similar is here. You can delete interface, delete property. All is similar. Or if you want to delete this attached files, all is behavior is the same. And for example, right now, if I want to do some modification, for example, this 2000 tag, I click this. Immediately, I don't need to refresh the whole page because I use jQuery technology, right? So you can just, for example, I change it to A, and also I can change it to A because the identity for the database is just it's MongoDB very long string is the ID. So it's not like SPF. Once you create an object, you cannot change the object name, right? But here, this application will allow this change the application as long as you try to change something. Change this name is already exist in the database. For example, if I want to change this to 20, because the 20 is already there, it will you will get the prompt. For example, if I can hit this, and then once it changes, this icon is not changing, but this have a done prompt, also have a cancel. It's changing the meaning. It's right now. It's once you click the modification, right? So its icon's meaning is changed. It's no longer the modification or delete. Now, right now is about the done or cancel change. If you want to change it again, so you can, for example, I change it to A. If you think it's done, okay, done. Okay. Because I just for some data is already in the database, so I got the prompt. Otherwise, you can not got the prompt. So each time you only can do the one change. I just did is just try to modify this, but I didn't do the done or cancel. I immediately click another item, try to do the modification. Then the application will prompt you try to change the same type of objects in same area. It's not allowed, which means, for example, let's cancel this. This is a 3 area. Each area you can change the item more than one. For example, if I change this, this all is allowed, no problem. But if I want to, in same area I want to change, click another one, I will get prompted. That is not allowed in same area. So let's change it. It's done. You immediately get the done. This is a web application, but the behavior is same thing like a desktop application. So if I, for example, I change this, then I already changed. So it's very quick, right? Similar, because if I hover over the property, this is a property, right? This is a property value, name. Sorry, this is a property value. This is a property. I'm sorry. This is a property name. This is a property value. If you hover this, you will get the description. Each description you will show this. So if you want to change this property, you just hit the modification, and immediately you get the name, value, description. For example, you want to change this one, whatever, this one, and then it's same thing. You will get done and cancel. So if you hit the done, you will get this, and immediately the description also change. So everything you done the same page. So you also can do the interface change and modification. You can, for example, this is dash A. For example, I hit the done. You immediately change. So the user use this kind of application, they feel very comfortable. It's there's have no any needed training, right? Just tell them how to use it, and immediately they will got it how to use it. Okay, this kind of things. Okay, let's talk about another things. Based on my applications philosophy, right? So previously, this application I was developer something like add function. For example, I here have an icon say add, which means I can add any nodes, tree nodes in this tree. I also have some icon here. I can add each item at the specific items here, object here, or icon here can add a interface, or here I have an icon here I can add a property, right? So but my client eventually said that they don't want to expose this function. They only use also add this add action is just add object data as one by one. They think it's not efficient, and also the the major the things they have a dedicated document management team management department, and they want to the user collect all the data they want to add into this system, but they don't want to add them individually. They want to collect all the data together first and put into a spreadsheet first, and give the document management system people, and document management people will have responsible to check and validate all the data, and then they just use data provisioning, which I will talk about later. I developed, will show you demo, and loaded the data into this. So they don't want to use expose the function to add data individually. So based on this reason, I deleted all the add function for this. They only need modification and delete. This is why. Similar as I also have an icon here. Previously, I can click icon here. You can attach files, but they also don't want to do this by some people else. Only can document management department people can do this. So eventually I also delete the attach file function here. So that's the overview basics for this video. Thank you for viewing.